Hi, my name is Sibi. Today I am going to teach you how to hard reset the Motorola Droid turbo phone. So by using this method you can hard reset almost all Motorola phones. Okay. So after the hard reset I have seen many phones performance is increased very well and bad sectors are removed. Okay. Simply you switch off the phone first. Okay. Now my phone is switched off. Okay. After the phone is completely off, okay, press and hold the volume down button. Okay, volume down button, press and hold. Just press the power button and release. Okay, now you see, once you are on this screen, the screen is a boot menu where there you can navigate to the different options by pressing the volume buttons. Okay, volume up or down, press and navigate to the different methods, different menus. Okay, now we are going to hard reset the phone. So the hard reset option is under recovery mode. We are on the recovery option and selecting by pressing the power button. Okay, now we pressed and selected the power button. Phone is restarting to the recovery menu. You see this Android warning, no command. Okay, once you reached this screen, okay, you reached this screen, then follow next steps. Press and hold the power button, then press volume up and release. Okay, I repeat, press and hold the power button, then press and release the volume up button. I press and hold the power button and pressing the volume up and release. Now you could see, you can see the recovery options here. Okay, now by pressing the volume up or down you can navigate to the different options on the recovery menu. For the resetting, hard resetting, we need to select wipe data factory reset. Once you selected that option, wipe data factory reset, just press the power button. Okay, next option is user data plus personalized content. I select. It will take approximately 30 seconds to complete this option. Sometimes if your phone has so many files, so many data, then it may take up to 3 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. Yes, I repeat. So in my phone is having no contents. It's no contents. It's a fresh phone. There is no stuffs, even not a single image in my phone. So the steps that process are finished within 30 seconds. Okay. So once we done the wipe data factory reset, I recommend you to do wipe cache partition. That also done. Again wipe data factory reset. I am normally doing this for 3 or 4 times. Okay, 3 or 4 times wipe data factory reset. Okay, so okay, we have almost done. Now we just need to power the phone off. Power off the phone and then power on. That's all. It's done. Okay. You can reboot the system now, or you can manually power off, then power it on. Okay. So once you have done this, the phone is 100% perfectly hard reset. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. I recommend I will bring more content. Sure. I recommend you to subscribe this channel and thumbs up, share and press the bell button near to the subscribe button. Okay. Thank you for watching. I am Sibi signing off.